Let's solve one problem from JEST Physics 2023. The problem states that a beam of light is propagating through a block of glass with refractive index n. The block is moving with a constant speed v in the direction opposite to that of the beam. The speed of the light beam in the block as measured by an observer in the laboratory frame is. So what is the speed the observer measures who is present in the laboratory? Okay, so the refractive index n, the glass is having a refractive index n. Glass block having refractive index n. Right, so the light speed inside the glass in glass frame, so the speed, light speed inside the glass in glass frame is u prime equal to c by n. Right, so the block is moving in opposite direction of the light beam with the speed v. So we need to find the speed of the light as from the lab with respect to the block. So this is the relativity problem. So when something moves inside a moving object, we use the relativistic velocity addition formula. So using relativistic addition formula, velocity addition formula, we can write u equal to u prime minus v by 1 minus u prime v by c square. So where u prime, we can write u prime equal to c by n, or speed of the light in the block frame. The speed of the light in block frame, right, and v is the speed and u is the speed seen from the light. So if u is the speed which is seen from the light seen from the lab, right, so we can write that u is equal to c by n minus v by 1 minus v by nc, right. So the final answer will become c minus nv by n minus v by c u. So this is the final expression of the u, which matches with the option D of the given option. So the option D will be our correct answer. Hope the expressions is clear. So thank you.